and one of the questions that came up is how to check an optical exam, and one of the things is eye alignment. So I don't know if you can see because it's dark and with the light in the hallway, but notice the way the light is hitting my eyes, right? There's an evenness. The light from the hallway will hit the eyes. So when the ophthalmologist takes a light flashlight, and this is where the room is usually dark, right? What he should be looking for is eye alignment. So again, if I now cross my eyes, can you see where the light is hitting my eyes versus where my pupil is in structure? Right? So that's one of the telltale signs. So that's a crossing of the eyes. A bit more obvious because it shows up in as a visual assessment, right? Now, if I have one eye going in, right? Do you see again where the light possibly is hitting my eyeball versus the light is hitting my other eyeball versus where the pupil alignment is, the white of my eyes, whatever is your visual reference, right? Now, if I mess with my eye alignment like this, so I'm bringing my eye up a little bit. Now, it might be hard for you to see visually, but look for where the light is hitting my eye. Right? So the light here might be closer to my pupil, let's see, where this is hitting more where the filaments are on the top of my cornea. So this is eye alignment this way. And when I go down, now again, so the eye is going down, this eye is going straight at you, right? Again, so you should see the light hit the top part of the eye, where here again is more pupil based. Right? And now, and now let's say if I have exotropia, if I'm pulling the eye out, right? So you should see where the light is hitting, again, this side of the eyeball versus over here compared to this one. And so that's one of the simple things that they do is they take a little bit of not a flashlight like a torch in your eye, but enough of a light, and they're watching the sparkle going across your eye. So again, they'll come in through here, through the right. This is what we do on the cognitive vision class that we've taken. Some of you, it's coming out, but anyway, and then coming in, they come in from this. So they're looking for the angle of the light, how it hits the eyeball, how it travels around the eyeball. This is one of the reasons too, let's say if your child has lens microphthalmia, where one eye is a little bit smaller than the other, the light will travel more quickly than here, where it has a length difference of the eye. These are subtle differences that you might not pick up looking at your child, but a professional, it's one of the easiest things that they can do is eye alignment. Thanks. Bye.